Hey everybody, this is my other video I'm going to do, and I'm going to do a 9x12. I got a gouache bundle from Arteza. It's a set of 60 gouache colors, and I've taken all the paints out, but I've picked out the colors I want to use. I got 2 watercolor pads, 32 sheets in each pad, so that's 64 sheets, so that's plenty. It has a smooth side and a rough side. And gouache is, as I was reading before, it's an opaque water paint which has a matte finish when dry. It's sometimes, a lot of beginners use it, but even seasoned artists use gouache. It has a very saturated color. It's got a lot of pigment. It's supposed to be more opaque, which means not transparent. And I wanted to just play and do something abstract and fun, so here we go. Okay, I'm done with this one. This one's totally different. It's whimsical, doodly, and just something fun to do on a piece of watercolor paper with gouache, a painter's opaque Express Yourself paint pen, a large Sharpie, and the gouache paints. So here's this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you are a subscriber, click on the bell to get the notifications in the bottom right corner. Click on all the links below to check out all the links that I offer you for Amazon and Facebook and supplies and all kinds of things. So I will see you on the next video. Hugs, everybody. Bye-bye.